you fancy some homemade soup and some crusty bread? Delicious. Hello, I'm Susie. In this video, I'm showing my boys how to make some homemade, deliciously warm butternut squash soup and some chimichurri to sprinkle on top to spice things up for the adults. If you'd like to know how, then watch this video, and there's a recipe card right at the end. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Hi boys, strike a pose. Time to come and do some cooking. Hello boys.
Hello!
Today we're going to be making soup.
I don't like soup really.
You might like this one.
I never tried this one before.
This one's an autumnal soup.
Autumnal.
What does it mean?
A special soup forever.
What season are we in?
Autumn.
Autumn. So what could autumnal mean?
It's autumn. It's from autumn food.
To make this delicious soup, you'll need 1 butternut squash and 1 sweet potato, 1 onion and 2 carrots. You'll also need 3 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you'll need 500 millilitres of vegetable stock, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin and a splash of cream, depending on how creamy you like it. Now let's get peeling and chopping. Does anybody know what that is?
It's a squash. It's a squash.
It's a butternut squash. What is that?
I don't know.
It's one of your favourites, Alex. A type of potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, well done.
Yum, 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 yum.
You like sweet potatoes, don't you?
Yeah. I want to eat it. I want to eat it. Yum, yum, yum. That's an onion. Onion.
Very good.
Garlic. Garlic.
And
Carrots.
both have one of these.
Look at it. Mommy, this is fun. Every bit needs to come off. Get every white bit off, too. My carrot looks like a sword.
Right, I'm going to give you a knife now. These are really sharp, so you need to be really careful.
I'm really careful.
Are you grown up enough to use a knife?
I'm 6, so I'm 4. I'm a bit little.
If you think your children aren't quite ready to start using knives, then we would really recommend Katie Kimball from Kids Cook Real Food. And at the moment, you can join her in a free knife skills video by clicking on the affiliate link in the description below. But please watch our video first. Josh, what does Katie Kimball say about how you carry a knife?
Always carry a knife point down.
Alex, what does Katie Kimball teach you to remember when you're chopping food with a knife?
Knife moves eyes down. Food moves knife down.
Well done.
Am I doing well?
Yes, really good.
Done.
Hold the carrot.
Doing big chunks for Mommy and Daddy.
So, can you peel the sweet potato?
Woo! Look, Mommy.
That's it.
Look at my sweet potato, Mommy. It looks delicious.
Peel it all the way around. And then we're going to chop it up. So we've peeled the onion. Is it making you cry?
Yeah.
Good cutting, Alex, but food's moving, so knife down, please. Very good.
Oh, it smells nice. It smells like cheesy leeks. Yeah.
Okay, good cutting. Josh, Mommy's cut up your sweet potato because it's quite tough, isn't it? Tip it all in. That's it. And now for the butternut squash.
I want to do the squash. I love squash.
Okay.
Me. I bet all of us.
You want to peel it? It's a really hard one to do.
Can you teach me?
Yeah.
Wow, look inside it.
Oh, well done, Alex.
That looks hard. Do you need some help? No, this is garlic. I love garlic. There's a recipe with garlic. What do I got to do now?
Right, Mommy's going to cut it now because it's very, very hard to cut. Now when you get so far down, you get the seeds. Can you see the seeds?
Yeah, they're like pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, they do look like pumpkin seeds. So we have to scoop out the seeds.
I've done it. It's raining. Happy birthday to Josh. That looks like a hat. Happy birthday to Josh.
See all the seeds inside? Right, Josh, can you put all the garlics into the dish? Just throw them in whole.
No.
That's it.
It costs
Lovely.
4. I'll go and tip these in the rubbish. I get some sauces.
You getting all the seeds out, Alex?
Yeah.
Well done. And then we're going to cut it into big chunks and pop it in the dish with all the other vegetables.
How many seeds are there actually? I don't. Make them spicy! I like you doing that because Henry Danger they do. I will try and make the chili balls spicy. Make them spicy this time.
That's all the butternut squash chopped up. Can you put it into the bowl?
Looks heavy. Tip them in. Whoa! Yep, spread them out. That will be tasty.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that.
Josh, can you add some oil? Pour it all over. That's it. You're going to mix it all up in a minute.
Oh.
Keep going. Pour it all in. Lovely. Now, Alex,
The bowl is...
can you tip in the cumin?
What? The cumin? Smell it. That's salt and pepper.
Smell the cumin.
Oh, it tastes like chicken curry.
Oh,
It smells like chicken curry, Mummy.
that's good, isn't it? Lovely.
Do we mix it up now?
Yep. Now, Josh, mix it all up.
That's a funny spoon. How are we gonna... Okay, this is about hard to mix because it's slippery.
Lift it all. Use your hands if you want.
Ew, I don't like hands.
Make sure you get them all coated in oil and the salt and pepper and the cumin. And now put it into a preheated fan oven at 180 degrees, gas mark 5 for about 45 minutes.
Now I wash my hands a bit.
Yeah. Now we're going to make some chimichurri sauce for the adults. Traditionally you chop this, but we're going to do it in a blender for quickness. You need a handful of chopped parsley and half a chili pepper. This one's just a medium one, unless you like it hot. Also add 1 garlic clove and then chop or blend that together. Now you'll need 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You'll also need a pinch of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Finally, a pinch of sugar just to balance out the acidity. Now blitz that together again and then give it a little taste to make sure it's to your liking. Ta-da! Give the vegetables a stir halfway through and then after 45 minutes they'll be ready to blend. Okay boys, right, all those lovely vegetables that you chopped are all nice and roasted. So you're going to pop them in the saucepan. Alex, can you lift the lid, darling? Now it's really hot, so be careful. That's it. Don't touch that big roasting dish, Josh, because it's really hot. You get it all in there. What does it smell like, Alex?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry? What's it?
Yeah, it does. Oh, what do I do?
You're going to blend it.
I don't want to be blended. Oh, my arm's hurting.
Your arm's hurting.
I'll do it, Josh.
Do you want to swap over? Make sure you put the glove on. That's it, to hold the dish because it's really hot.
I'm never going to be scared. Am I actually doing that?
What, the blending?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't you want to do the blending?
No, I want you to.
Why? Why don't you like the blending?
It's loud.
Doing a really good job there, Alex.
Why do so?
Oh, let's put it all in there like that. Well done, boys. Okay, boys.
And you switch it on.
No, Go on, you try it.
Which one? The one with two? This one?
Yeah. You do it. Oh, mash it all up.
Not bad.
It sounds like what? A racing car, yeah.
Can you hear it? It goes, and then the trump. Do you want to hear it again? The and the trump. I told you it makes a trump sound.
Okay, stop. Stop. Can Alex have a go? Go on, Alex.
Okay, that is loud. A little. Which one?
Go on, try it. Yeah, well done. Is that fun?
Yeah.
You're making soup, boys. You're making soup.
Oh, it actually.
Yeah. Right, is it all mashed up now?
Yeah. See?
Lovely.
That looks like a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right, now you're going to put the vegetable stock in.
Come
and
on, do that.
Yeah.
The sock in.
Not the sock, the vegetable stock. Right. It's like a vegetable water.
Oh, Alex. Oh, that looks a bit.
Just put a bit in first.
Bit.
Keep going, keep going. Josh, can you start stirring that, please? Perfect. Right. Now give that a mix. And then we're going to heat it up.
Oh, my. Looks like soup.
Hooray! Should we heat it up now? And then we're going to add a little bit of cream. And then it will be ready to eat. Hooray!
Yeah, but... I'm not gonna eat that. I'm never gonna eat it.
Why?
Because
You might like it.
It's disgusting.
You might like it. Let's heat it up, boys, and then it'll be ready to eat.
Have you seen it? I might eat it.
No, it needs warming up first.
Oh.
Okay, now that's warming up nicely.
Now is it ready?
Josh, you going to add a bit of cream?
Yeah.
That's it. Stir the cream into the delicious soup. Make sure it's mixed really well and then give it a little taste. Add a little bit more salt and pepper if it needs it. Oh, what do you think?
I love it so much. I love it. I'm a big fan of it. It's on my trousers.
What do you think?
Yummy!
You like it? Oh, that's good. Let's get it in the bowl then and let's get eating.
Alfie, Daddy!
Add a touch more cream if you fancy it. But for the adults, I really recommend some chimichurri, just to spice it up a bit.
Wow, do you like it, Alf? It's actually good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really good. Lovely.
This is lovely. Sure. You want me to make this? You want me to make this?
You two made this soup. Well done, boys. We're proud of you.
Made it by ourselves. Thank you to ourselves.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want a bit more, here's some funny bits. What are we going to cook?
Soup. I don't know.
In this video, I'm teaching
It's a squash. It's a squash.
Oh, it tastes like chicken curry.
Get some sauces.
butternut.
It's like pumpkin seeds. I don't want to be bland.
Then join us for this video.
Have you seen it? That's one. Can you pick that up? No.
And here's the recipe card. Now don't forget to catch up with the brilliant Katie Kimball by clicking on the link in our description. Or you can watch more of our videos right here. Thanks for watching.